Water treatment methods. Raw water can come from a variety of sources such as lakes, rivers, or wells. Each water source has its own components and treatment requirements. In general, however, the water chemistry required for steam production must meet standards. The water needs to be filtered and have minerals and oxygen removed. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है। Raw water goes through the following steps to become boiler feed water. First step, clean the water. This step removes suspended solids. Depending on water source, this could include A. Coagulation / sedimentation. B. Filtration. Second step, remove minerals. This step is done to the clean water, which is obtained from the step 1, to remove minerals that could build up on steam turbines or other process equipment. Depending on the water source, this step could be one or more of these processes. A. Softening. B. Demineralization, that is through ion exchange. C. Reverse osmosis, that is through the semi-permeable membrane. Third step, remove the oxygen. Dissolved oxygen and other gases. In other gases, we include primarily carbon dioxide. In boiler feed water are major causes of boiler system corrosion. While oxygen results in localized corrosion, that is pitting, carbon dioxide forms carbonic acid and damages condensate piping. This step could include A. Deaeration. B. Oxygen scavenging. This diagram shows principle of a deaerator through which the deaeration process is done. Coagulation adds chemicals to reduce coarse suspended solids, silt, turbidity, and colloids through the use of a clarifier. The impurities gather together into larger particles and settle out of the chemical / water solution. This is called sedimentation. The equipment shown in this diagram is used for coagulation and sedimentation. Filtration removes coarse suspended matter and sludge from coagulation or from water softening systems. Gravel beds and anthracite coal are common materials used for filter beds. Softening is the treatment of water to remove dissolved mineral salts such as calcium and magnesium, known as hardness, in boiler feed water. Softening methods include the addition of calcium carbonate, that is lime soda, phosphate and or zeolites. This is the flow diagram of DM water system. Demineralization. Demineralization is the removal of ionized mineral salts by ion exchange. The process is also called deionization, and the water produced is called deionized water. Reverse osmosis uses pressure to remove dissolved solids from boiler feed water by forcing the water from a more concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane to a less concentrated solution. Deaeration. Deaeration removes oxygen or other gases from boiler feed water by increasing the temperature using steam to strip out the dissolved gases. Specific terms describe the water as it moves through these steps. Water starts as raw water and becomes demineralized water, then deaerated water, and finally boiler feed water. Condensate. Steam that has been condensed, that is condensate, is already clean and can be fed back into the system at the deaerator. This saves the cost of treating more raw water, making it practical to recycle any used steam condensate. For more details, refer to the following lectures. The name of the lectures along with their links have been mentioned. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है। This lecture is dedicated to the loving memory of my late elder brother Shri Surendra Kumar Chadha.